Find dy dx at the given point. We're doing number 12 from Review Quiz 7b. This equation has x's and y's all mixed up in it, which means we're going to need to derive it implicitly with respect to x, both sides with respect to x. So you can see it visually. I'm going to highlight anything that's going to require the product rule and just kind of label my f and g to begin. I know I can take this 3 out of there, but I'm going to end up distributing it back in anyways. So to take the derivative of this product right here, f dg plus g df plus the derivative of 1, which is 0. Derivative with respect to x of 3x, and then this product, plus the derivative, plus f dg plus g df. The derivative of y with respect to x is dy dx. The derivative of negative x cubed is negative 3x squared, and that's with respect to x, so variables agree. The derivative of 3x with respect to x is just 3 times the derivative of x, which is 1, plus 3x cubed times the derivative of y cubed. That would be 3y squared times the derivative of the inside, which is dy dx, plus y cubed times 9x squared. Variables agree, so you don't need to put anything after that. Let's clean up these terms, write them a little more simply. This would be minus 3x squared y equals 3 plus 9x cubed y squared dy dx plus 9x squared y cubed. Now I will group the dy dx terms on the left side of the equation and put all the non-dy dx terms on the right side. Next, we will factor out dy dx on the left side so that we can get it by itself. Negative x cubed minus 9x cubed y squared. And I'm going to factor out a 3 on this side. Divide both sides by this quantity. I'm going to factor out a negative x cubed times 1 plus 9, the x cubed is already factored out, y squared. So this will be divided by negative x cubed times 1 plus 9y squared. We have dy dx. Now we need to plug in the point negative 1, negative 1 for all my x's and y's to find the slope at that point. This is what I got when I plugged in these numbers. I got a 3 times a, this is a negative 1, positive 1, and positive 3, so negative 3. And then this is a negative 1 plus 1 over negative 1 cubed is negative 1, but negative 1 times negative is just 1. So I'm left with 1 plus 9 times 1. All right, and I got negative 9 over 10 to be the slope at the point negative 1, negative 1.